Higold Hexagonal Building Manufacturing Base. This is the second intelligent manufacturing base of Higold Group. The construction area reaches 180,000 square meters, of which the first phase of the factory has been fully completed. Hinge and guide rail automated production superfactory. Fully automatic stamping workshop. This is the core mold technology independently developed by Higold. Combining high-speed stamping equipment with molds, realize fully automated production of parts. Hinge fully automatic assembly line. It can optimize and integrate more than 20 assembly processes, complete more than 20 assembly procedures simultaneously on the same operation line. Combined with the application of MES, WMS, APS, and other information systems, Higold takes the lead in building a blacklight factory in the industry. For manufacturing hinges and strives to create a 24-hour fully automated unmanned workshop. Committed to building an Industrial 4.0 automated intelligent manufacturing demonstration base for smart home hardware and core components. This is a product testing center, built in accordance with CNAS laboratory standards. Fully automated packaging production line. Implement assembly here. Full inspection, packaging, sealing, and palletizing. Fully automated assembly line operations. Simultaneously embed information system. Achieve automatic identification of quantities. Automatically troubleshoot exceptions. Automatic code scanning and shipment, etc. Intelligent packaging method. Phase 1 hinge track factory. Officially put into use. Estimated annual output of hinges. Up to 1 billion or more. Committed to becoming a leading world-class home hardware aircraft carrier. Higold. More than 20 years of technology accumulation. Leading industry efficiency changes. Strive to improve the quality of human life.